Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I will show you how to create Facebook trending AI photo using Gemini AI photo editing. This is one of the newest tools from Google powered by Banana AI, and it lets you edit or transform your photos instantly just by typing a prompt. So let's get started. First, just open the Gemini app or go to the website, and then make sure you log in using your Google account so you can access all the features. And once you're inside, just tap on Create Image to access Nano Banana, or you can also tap on plus tools icon and then create images like this. And then just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie or a portrait or any picture that you like to edit into a trending AI style. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo. And then next you will need to write your AI prompt. For example, I already prepared one prompt like this. Like this. You can copy this prompt for you can just copy this prompt or just feel free to change the details however you like add colors, change the outfits, background or even add fantasy styles. The more specific you are, the better the result. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then just go back to Gemini and then paste the prompt. And once your prompt is ready, just tap on generate. And then just wait a few moments. And okay, like this. In just a few moments, Gemini will create your AI edited photo like this. And just look at this result. It's super realistic and it looks just like the AI photo trending over Facebook right now. And okay, that's it. Super quick and super easy with Gemini AI photo editing powered by Nano Banana. You can turn any photo into you can turn any picture into a stunning AI style portrait that's perfect for social media. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.